Good morning, how's it going? Welcome back. Hope you had a good week, hope it gets a little bit better. Got a bit going on, but it's all happening, we're here. The mission, she's on again. My lord, she's on again. But we've got the fly rod again with us, we're throwing surface on that. Sorry if she's a bit dull. The frame's batteries is already crashing. Alrighty, let's get into it. Tell you what, she's looking smicko. Smicko, smacko. Yep. Oh no. Eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it, eat it. Eat it. Yep. Oh no. I'm extremely disappointed, but that was one of the most insane things I've ever witnessed. All right, Newey, make it happen, brother. Rat and tree. Actually hasn't been too many rat and tree this morning. Fucking handle rat and tree this morning. Absolutely tangle. Oh. Yes. Rat and tree. Take a little break. Throw this lipless around. Oh, good lay down. Not good cast. Wow, what was that, Newey? God, I'm just as bad as casting bait, casting fly. In the zone. Yep, yep. Okay, stay on, bro, stay on, bro. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on, man. Come on, stay on. Oh no, he's only just hooked. Oh, come on, man. I haven't landed a fish in like legit 3 weeks. Come on, Muzzy. Come on. Oh. Whoa. Come on. Yes. Baby. Oh, I know, glad to see you. Got to do the generic fly fisherman's code. Put some sick music to this one. Oh, thank you, Muzzy. Alright, peel it. Yeah, boy! Oh man, I still can't get over how bloody gnarly that is. Let's do it again. Oh, follow, come on, have another crack. Come on. I think he's seen me. He knew. He said, nah, that's Newey. Abort. Oh, he come back up. Oh, he came back up again. I don't know why I'm whispering. I know, we're slowly dying on battery too, guys. Yep, yes. Come on, stay on, brah. Stay on, brah. Come on. Oh, yes. Oh my God, that was insane, bro. I'm literally about 8 hours into my session. I was just gonna pull the pin. That is so sick, man. Midday top water Muzzy on fire. Baby. Didn't he peel it back? And I just sent it, and everyone was just happy. Alright, let's get old Ratatouille out. Do a deadly underwater release. Bye, Muzzy. Let's back this up like a Mack truck, boys. Are we gonna have a top water fly midday bite underneath this shelf? Oh my God! That was the next cast. Wait, Mad Dogs. So yeah, the camera's about to cark it. We're gonna get out of here. Oh, baby. And I'll meet you guys back at Mission HQ. What's happening? Arrokuta, not only Wednesdays. So we're here, back at Mission HQ. Thanks for tuning into this week's video. Thanks for tuning into every week's video. I really appreciate it. Love the support. Now, if you haven't already, could you please subscribe to the channel? It really helps out. Like the video, give it a comment, give it an old diss if you think it's full of crud. Love the haters. Now, you probably noticed the content's been a bit here and there. I've had a bit going on. So I'm working on a few things that I'm going to try and do with the channel. But realistically, it's gonna go down a little bit with the amount of content, if that makes any sense. It's really weighing up to be a time, money thing, what I want to do with my personal life. I got some decisions to make. Blah, 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 blah. Reason I'm telling you guys this, because I know there is a small group that tune in each week to watch my videos, so really this message is going out to you guys. I don't want you to feel like I'm leaving you hanging sort of thing, you know what I mean? You're picking up what I'm putting down. I'll let you know whatever I do decide to do with the channel. I'll let all you guys know, most likely on my social media or whatnot. Yeah, best comes to best, we still have these weekly videos popping up, so you! Alright guys, have a great week. Thanks for tuning in. YOLO!